Manipur police has issued a wanted notice for 2 absconders involved to cold-blooded murder of Leicester Malemnganba Meitei, 19-year-old at Moirangkampu Awang Lekai, Imphal East on February 10th. Manipur police revealed the accused as 26-year-old Thangjam Thaungamba, son of T.H. Sunil from Tiger Camp Village, Sagolmang, and 31-year-old Huining Subam Poirenganba, alias Amitlang, along son of H. Ibohanbi from Lamboikul Makale, Sagolmang, and that they are reportedly affiliated with proscribed outfit UNLF. Manipur police further informed that any person can provide information regarding the wanted accused can call at mobile number 7085368633 of SP Control Room Imphal East, and that the persons providing information will be suitably rewarded. They also informed that anyone who is found to be providing shelter or harboring the accused shall be dealt strictly as per law, and they will be booked under Section 249 Clause A of Bharatiya Nyaya Santiya Act, along with Section 19 of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act.